Yo, what up YouTubers, it's the boy Tech. I finally got my Galaxy S10. I believe this is the S10. So I am going to straight up open this real quick. It's been a while since I've made a YouTube video, so I'm pretty excited. Okay, so I cut through the bag. Got my free earbuds. So I didn't get the watch yet, so I might get the watch on Friday. Oh, okay, so this is the Galaxy S10. And the case should be coming today as well. I did one-day shipping with Amazon, so I should get that. Okay, so the earbuds are white. I was a limited time offer, not for resale. Whoa. Ooh, I guess a lot of people are planning on reselling this. So you get 6 hours of play on time. But enough about this. The star of the show is the Galaxy S10. So we do have this little official tape. So let's just go ahead, slice this Rambo style. So here she is, the Galaxy S10. And let me just put this down real quick. We get some beautiful AKG headphones. Oh, they went back with the white charging brick, adaptive fast charging. You do have your, what's this, the USB type C to USB type B, I believe, adapter. This is what I've been waiting for. Now what's this? This is going to be the charging cable. Yep, this is definitely the charging cable. I'm just gonna put this back in because I don't think I'm gonna use it right now. I got so many cables out here. So this, oh wow, these are beautiful. Knit fit, oh crap. Okay, so we do have those earbuds pieces. Actually, might as well take it out and show you guys, because I did get this for you guys. So is there a way for me to open this without breaking it? Oh, there was. Too bad. Okay, so here we do have your earbuds, wire earbuds, because this does have a headphone jack. Surprise, surprise, because headphone jacks is still a necessity. So for the Galaxy S10, wow. So so it feels a lot like the Galaxy S9 in terms of, oh wow, I did get the blue finish. If you guys can see that, it looks a little bit purplish, but straight up it's like a sky blue, beautiful design. And wow, this feels ice cold because it's about 20 degrees outside. So let me just go ahead and power this on, see if we have any juice. Galaxy S10 secured by Knox. So we have the Bixby button, the volume rocker, we have the SIM card tray on top. I have no idea what this is for. It's probably a microphone port. On the bottom, speaker grill, you have your USB type C port, you have your headphone jack. Yes, I'm gonna try and get this video up ASAP. Okay, you do have your selfie camera cut out right over here.
You get set up more easily by guiding you.
So they did something different this time around. They have the booklets and stuff kind of trapped. Okay, so I guess. Okay. And you know what? I don't know, man. Maybe I might get lucky. Maybe it's like some kind of card is like, hey, you won $1,000 or something like that. Okay, so this device includes a pre-installed screen protector. If you remove it, what's going to happen if I remove it, Samsung? If you remove it and want to use a different screen protector, make sure it allows for use of all touchscreen features, including the ultrasonic fingerprint reading sensor. Okay, so about your phone, Samsung here, blah blah blah. Yeah, pretty much all the instructions and whatnot. If you need to go through that, it's over there. It's still available. So okay, so let's go. So I pretty much just have to set this up, put in my SIM card. Now there is like some frost because it's like in New Jersey and it's about like 20 degrees right now, freezing. That built-in screen protector, it's plastic. I do prefer tempered glass screen protectors. I do like that smooth, glass finish. But yeah, this is definitely plastic. So hopefully in the future there will be some cheap alternative when it comes to tempered glass screen protectors that works with the ultrasonic fingerprint reader. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and test out this phone. This is Tech signing out. Hope to see you guys in the next video. I'll have a full video with the camera features, everything. So it's Tech signing out. Hope you guys have a great, wonderful day. Peace.